guys. I didn't see you guys there. This is your boy Rahim Moyang. Welcome to another vlog. This is Shna.
Hi.
We're having a date. What is it? Date day? We're having a date day today.
Saturday? I don't know.
Yeah.
You're my caffeine in the morning. Got me feeling like I'm on top of the world.
Yeah.
We're on a date.
We're just on a date right now. Yeah, we're at this Vietnamese restaurant called PHO, having some tea.
Oh,
Really, really good.
it's called pho and beef. They're known for their
Yeah, their beef soup.
So we ordered a beef soup, and we also ordered pork with noodles.
This tea is really good.
It's really good. Like, I love it,
But not
he also
briefly?
loves it. But it makes him hungry.
Makes you really, really hungry. So be aware.
Yeah.
Bring extra money for an extra plate. I'm probably gonna eat 3 plates today.
But honestly, like, for one person, like, you can dine for like $10 for one person. Yes, thank you.
Our food is here.
Ooh, thank you.
Thank you. Smells good. So, chopsticks is not one of my favorite things to use. I don't know how to use it properly. So let's see. It's not bad. Full of a lot of flavor, right? I'm not the best with chopstick, guys, so it probably take a while. Time for the beef. Like, I'm literally not good at this chopstick business.
Yep. Sorry, this is my bad. This isn't beef, this is pork.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. It's grilled pork. Yeah.
It's good.
Oh my gosh, this is so good. I think I'm gonna order one to go. I think all of this.
I think it's like $20.
Yeah, like for everything that we're eating right now.
That's not bad.
And literally,
That's really, really good, to be
we
honest.
didn't even finish the soup. Like, okay.
Like, everything is under $15, guys. You can't get better than this. Yeah. And it's so, so good.
Dude, you're gonna poke my eye out.
Yeah, guys, we just had dinner. Yeah, it was really,
That's it.
really good.
Isn't that more lunch?
Lunch, yeah. Could say lunch.
Brunch? No, not brunch. Definitely lunch. Late lunch.
Shana's greedy. She wants dinner.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we probably have to go out tonight again. What's in your belly? What's and you're not even gaining any weight? Huh? So we're gonna go watch a movie.
We should get the tickets first.
Which movie you wanna watch?
We're gonna watch a Joker.
Yeah. I've heard great stuff about the Joker. My friend, he watched it the other day. He was telling me it was really good.
Yeah.
So we'll probably go check it out now.
It's like 4 o'clock. It starts at 6:30.
There's so much traffic on the road.
We're just gonna go to the mall, then get our tickets and look around the mall.
Yeah.
I try not to be a shopaholic, and
She tried, but she's not getting anywhere. Who can relate? Which one of my friends can relate? A woman?
whatever.
When they go to the mall, they get crazy, man.
What?
When she's in the mall, her head spins, bro. I don't know. you'll be like, Chanel? And she's like, everywhere.
You're so
Looking
full
for
of
stuff.
You're so full of.
You know what I miss? You remember that thing that we used to get from Moxie? The what is it? Is it a white chocolate? Is it cheesecake?
No. No.
Oh,
It's white chocolate brownie.
Yes. That's my favorite.
Oh my goodness.
That's my favorite. Then
That was
cheesecake.
good.
That can never
good.
come against like
Really?
cheesecake. No.
I love cheese. I'm like.
The white chocolate brownie.
I love cheesecake still. Like I'm a cheesecake
Like,
gal. You know.
White chocolate brownie from Moxie is the greatest dessert of all time.
Oh, there's a Cheesecake Factory and a Moxie's in the mall. So we got options. Okay, that's the Cheesecake Factory. It's always like so packed. Like it's crazy in there, but it's really good too. So hey guys, we just arrived at the mall. It's really busy in here today. This is what I told you guys. This girl cannot come to the mall and not shop. Chanel, where are you going? This girl wanna go into the body shop, guys.
Is she okay?
She cannot do without spending all her money. Look at her. Look at this girl right here. Look at her.
Isn't this cute though?
It looks good. Do you want it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Are you gonna get it for me? Are you? You're not gonna get it for me?
Just tell me what you want.
You're not gonna get it
Just
for
tell
me.
me what you want.
You're not gonna get it.
From the top turnbuckle of the choke.
Chanel, what are you getting?
You dialed the wrong number! I hate you!
So she lured me into Body Works to buy stuff. Yeah, we're going into Moxie right now. So we just got to Moxie. We just ordered our cheesecake. Yeah, my favorite. No, not cheesecake. Or white chocolate brownie. Yeah, I haven't had this in a while, man. I'm so excited for this right now. Yeah. She's getting me a hot mess drink.
And then the brownie.
Yes, I'm a hot mess. So I just got my hot mess. The liquor is strong, eh?
Is it?
Yeah, so the brownie just arrived. You ready to begin? Just like I remembered. Just like I remembered, didn't it? Hey guys, so we just left Moxie. Yeah. We're gonna go watch the movie now. It's like another hour till we see this movie. Yeah. I feel so full right now. The cheesecake was really good, but it was a lot. Hey guys, we just finished watching The Joker. I don't want to say anything about the movie. I want you guys to watch it for yourself. Yeah. Just remember to like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.